Want to get rid of the double chin with the help of Facetune application? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. Open the Facetune app first. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Add from My Device. Select the picture in which you want to edit the double chin. There are many editing options at the bottom. Swipe to the right, tap on Reshape. Tap on Resize. Now move the cursor to the area of the double chin. Then use the scroller to decrease it. You can also adjust the size of the circle. Continue this step till you get the desired look. After you're satisfied, tap on the Save at the top right. And that is how to remove double chin with help of Facetune. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.